You and Fen Fen divorced so many years. Her asset should belong to him.
So since Fen Fen is gone, then it's my responsibility to take care of him as well. So Fen Fen assets should be under my control. Come daddy here.
You and Fen Fen divorced so many years. Her asset should belong to him.
Yeah, and I'm also his dad. So since Fen Fen is gone, then it's my responsibility to take care of him as well. So Fen Fen assets should be under my control.
Have you cared about him before? Now you are talking about take care?
Failing to do so, the inheritance could end up in the hands of your ex-spouse within minutes. Follow Emmeline to learn more about inheritance laws. For single-parent families, how can you ensure that your assets do not fall into the hands of your ex-spouse? According to Section 6 of the Distribution Act 1958, if a child is underage and the parent has not made any will, 1/3 of the estate will be inherited by the deceased parents, while 2/3 will go to the child. Legally, the ex-spouse has no inheritance right. However, according to Section 6 of the Guardianship of Infants Act 1961, the surviving parent of an infant will become the child guardian. Section 9 also states that the court actually has the authority to restrict or expand the powers of the guardian to ensure that the child's welfare is protected. In simple terms, it means that as the guardian of the child, the ex-spouse may indirectly take over the inheritance meant for the child to cover the child's living expenses. Therefore, how can single parents ensure that the inheritance is not misused by the ex-spouse? Single parents can actually appoint an additional guardian to act jointly with the ex-spouse to care for the child. Additionally, the assets you left behind can be held by a trust company to provide a monthly maintenance expenses for the joint guardians to ensure that the child's expenses are covered. This approach is known as a testamentary trust. What are your thoughts on the inheritance ending up in the hands of your ex-spouse? Feel free to leave a comment and share with us below.